Hi there, you're with Mick again from Creative Schools, and this time we are going to talk through how to add a new post. So there's a couple of ways to add a new post. First up, on the ribbon, if you hover over New and click on Post, or alternatively find Post on the left hand menu and click on Add New. And that takes us through to our post editor. So there's three things that a post has to have. That's a featured image, a title, and an excerpt. So without those three things, it won't publish correctly. So we'll talk through how to add all three of those now. So title, make a post, an excerpt, which is an overview, which will appear on every time that event is published. You will see this excerpt as well, and it will also take a shortened version for pages on the website where space is at a bit of a premium. So on the home page and on any class or year group pages, things like that, that will show the excerpt rather than showing the entire event information. And the third thing it needs to have is a featured image, and that's here on the right hand side. If you click on set featured image, there's two ways of getting an image. So all of these images that are on here are from the media library, so these have already been uploaded. If you want to upload a new file, just click on upload files, click on select files, and that will take you through to the file storage system on the computer that you're using, and you can select a file from there. But we want to add this little guy in here, so we'll just set that as a featured image, and a small preview of the image will appear there, so you can make sure that it's the correct one. Something else that is important, but it doesn't need to happen, is to add a category. So this makes it easier for users to find that piece of news if it's relevant to them. So this one is a school trip and it's relevant to year 2. And then finally the last bit is just in this area. It's a regular text editor where you can just click in and type the actual information for your event, for your news. So put that in there. And a couple of things you can do as well when you've finished is you can either save a draft and come back to it later, or you can preview it to make sure it's as you want it to look, and that takes you through to a preview page of the news item. So there's our image post, there's the excerpt and the information underneath. So if we're happy with that, come back and you can either publish that event, or if you click on edit, you can change the time and date, so that will go in the future. There are a couple of other posts that you can choose. So standard will be the one you use mainly, but you will also use gallery a couple of times as well. And when you click on these, you will see the There are a couple of other formats of posts that you can put in. So that was a standard that we've just done. And there's also a gallery, which means you can upload multiple images. And as you click on these, things will change down here. So for example, link, you can then post a link in there. Quote, post the quote in there. Video just gives you a bit of an option of adding where you want us to take the video from, and likewise for the audio. For the audio, so you can just put your link in there. So again, when you filled out all the information you want, just click on publish and that will publish your event. Thank you.